Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been way too long, but I'm finally back with another video, and today I figured I'm gonna do a full face of Maybelline products. I wanted to do this video to show you guys that you can achieve a makeup look using drugstore products. You know, you don't always have to fork out that money to buy high-end products. I don't have a Maybelline brow product, so I will be using my Anastasia brow product, but everything else will be Maybelline. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So first off, as you guys would know, I've already moisturized my face. Next thing we're gonna do is prime our face. So I'm using the Maybelline Face Studio Prime, and this is in the style pore minimizing primer, because I know that there's one for redness, I think, and there's another one for something else, but this one is for the pore minimizing. I'm gonna put this where my pores are very prominent, so usually on my T-zone and just this area here, like where my nose and my cheeks are. Next up for foundation, I have a new Maybelline foundation, but I wanted to do a review video, so I'll use that foundation in another video. So I'm just gonna stick with my handy dandy Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless foundation, and you guys should already know I'm in the shade 228. So yeah, I guess I just wanted to chit chat with you guys as well. Like, let me know in the comments below, how has lockdown been for you guys? I know I have struggled to cope, honestly. I'm gonna admit it, I struggled to cope with it. You know, missing my mom, missing my family, missing my friends really did get to me. There's been meltdowns, there's been arguments, there's been just everything, but you know, it's really out of our control, you know what I mean? Like, so we've just got to show our resilience on how we get through it. And so, you know, I've just been doing the best that I can, like going for daily walks, like make sure I'm going on daily walks and not just staying home, staying in this apartment, because that's when you feel even more stuck and feel, you know, even more claustrophobic. Calling my friends, talking to my friends every day, talking to my family every day, even though it's through FaceTime and Zoom, whatnot. Making sure, you know, you're still feeling connected. But hopefully this is over soon. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Master Conceal by Face Studio. This is in the shade 30 Light Medium. I'm just gonna use a little synthetic brush to put this on. But yeah, like, it's been tough. It's been tough, especially with Elias. I just kind of felt guilty, hey? Like, felt guilty, felt bad that like they're just stuck inside, you know, like, because usually every weekend we take Elias to at least like a play center or to my mum's house to visit his grandma, even taking him out to like dinner, like, you know, going to my friend's house, taking him to dinner with us and things like that. Like, but no, he's literally just been stuck in these four walls the last 3 months because we had to take him out of daycare, which is a totally another story. So moving on to powder, I picked up this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the matte and poreless powder in the shade 220 Natural Beige. First I'll use this to set my under eye, and then I'm gonna use it all over my face as well. Moving on to brows, I don't have a Maybelline product for my brows, so I am gonna be sticking to my Anastasia Brow Duo, and this is in the shade Ebony. So just gonna fill in my brows as per usual. I can't wait to like get my brows done. I can't wait, but they have been talking about Freedom Day. Well, I don't know, like open day, Freedom Day, the day that we get to go back and resume life as normal, or more so like businesses and stuff are opening up. So they have been talking about that, and I just can't wait to book in, like, to get my lashes done, to get my brows done, to get my nails done. Like, oh, this lockdown is just next level. Okay, brows are done. I'm just gonna quickly clean them up using that leftover concealer. some contouring, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium 200. I'm going to use contouring and bronzer. I'm going to put it on my contouring brush, but then I'll blend it out with my bronzer brush as well. I'm going to put that down my nose. And you know what? I don't have any Maybelline eyeshadow. So I'm going to put this bronzer in my eyes as well. As a little, just a bit of colour in our eyes. I've totally skipped steps, I'm so sorry. I was contouring and then I've done my eyes, and now I'm gonna go back to bronzing. So going back in with the bronzer with my bronzing brush, I'm taking it around the face. Now for a little bit of blush, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Rose Claire. Beautiful shade. Just gonna pat that lightly on the cheeks. Oh, very pigmented. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade Rose Gold Molten. It's a very, very beautiful color. I can tell, like, in the pen, it's really, really, really pretty. And I'm gonna use this as a eyelid color as well. So I'm gonna go in with, see this is what I mean. Like, this is what I want to show you guys. You can improvise with what you have as well. Like, you don't always have to have your full kit. So I'm gonna go in with this as the highlighter. Whoa. Oh, love it, so good. And again, like I said, I'm gonna go and place this. Where is my shader brush? Got it. So again, I'm gonna pat this down into our eyelids for a little bit of an eyelid color. And then we're gonna dip back into the bronzer as our transition color and blend that out. We're gonna pop the bronzer in our lower lash line as well. And then we're gonna pop some of that highlighter in the inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna curl our lashes. So for mascara, I do have a Maybelline one, and this is called the Falsies Lash Lift. So, and I get waterproof always. Now for lashes, I legit can't wait to get my lashes done, but we're gonna have to do with false lashes for now. So I'm just gonna grab, I don't even think Maybelline have their own lashes, do they? I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go in with the Velour lashes, and this is in the, it just says Fluff and Thick collection. So I'm gonna pop that on and then I'll be right back. Alright, lashes are now on. We're gonna go on with some lip color. The sun's setting, so I'm so sorry for the lighting change. But I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Almond Rose. Then for our lip color, I'm gonna go in with the Ultimate lip color in the shade More Buff. Alright, so the sun is setting. I'm so sorry, I might scoot over here. But yeah, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel since you're already here. I hope everyone is doing well during lockdown. Hopefully we're out of this very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching up until the end of the video as always, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!